Hi, my name is David Alejandro González Pinzón. The next presentation is Tips to go to San Andrés Island. Stay 1. On June 30, I had my last trip on vacation. I went to San Andrés Island. San Andrés is a very amazing. Is island. The 7 colors is the is the island with very culture. I stayed there 4 days and went with my family. I visited Johnny Cay and Aquarium. State 2. The weather in San Andrés. The weather on the island of San Andrés, it is usually in summer or all year, when it is generally warm and sunny, but many nights is cloudy and breezy. Recommendations. I recommend that people try each of the drinks and meals on the island. It recommend that tourists investigate a little about culture. This is recommend to pay money for a guide. It is recommend to pay tour through the island. It is recommend to pay hotel with air conditioning. It is recommend not to wear the clothes. It's recommend to go to the aquarium on the island. It is always recommend to drink a low water. Step 3. People should go visit Johnny Cay, Island San Andrés. People should drink coconut waste on the island. People should taste lobster. People should dance reggae with the native. People should not swim too far. People should drink so much Coco Loco. People should not wear tight clothes. Thank you.